In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation to your desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right into it. The first step is to open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you have your PowerPoint document open on your screen. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the File option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a sidebar menu where you can see a variety of options. Here, you want to select Save As. This is an essential step because it allows you to choose where and how to save your document effectively. Once you click Save As, you'll notice a few more options appear. What you need to do next is click on Browse. This action will open up a classic file navigation window. It's a familiar sight if you've saved files before, so don't worry. You'll have all your folders and drives laid out in front of you. Now to find your desktop, look at the left-hand side of this navigation pane. Here you'll see a list of locations like Quick Access, OneDrive, and various other drives on your computer. You want to click on Desktop. This action will navigate you directly to your desktop folder, making it easy to access your presentation later. Once you're on your desktop, it's time to give your presentation a name. Find the box where it says File Name. It's important to choose a name that's descriptive enough for you to recognize it later, but keep it simple. For example, you might name it My Presentation. After entering the title, take a moment to ensure that the file type is set correctly. You should see that it's set to the default PowerPoint file format, typically .ptx. That's great because it ensures that your presentation maintains its formatting and features. Then, you'll notice a button at the bottom of the window labeled Save. Go ahead and click that button. And just like that, your PowerPoint presentation is now saved to your desktop. Now that you have completed these steps, let's quickly review. First, you clicked on File, then selected Save As. Next, you browsed to select Desktop, entered a name for your file, and finally hit Save. It's a straightforward process, but it's one that can save a tremendous amount of time and prevent any potential loss of work. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to save a PowerPoint presentation to your desktop. This method is especially handy when you want quick access to your files, whether you are presenting to a group or simply need to review your work on the go. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. I hope you found this information useful, and as always, happy presenting!